Excellence and innovation are the two most essential fundamentals on which Apollo Infratech Group is founded. Excellence in engineering and technology innovation. In this constantly evolving world, the only thing constant is growth. Infrastructural growth fuels the growth of the world's economy. Established in the year 2008 in the industrial hub of North Gujarat, Apollo Infratech Group has become one of India's fastest-growing construction equipment manufacturing conglomerates. Providing the Indian infrastructure industry with numerous construction equipment solutions, concrete batching plants, dry mix mortar plants, slip form and fixed form concrete road pavers to begin with. Better quality and sound business practices helped grow the company in leaps and bounds. Apollo Infratech built numerous batching plants of various capacities, working satisfactorily in every part of the country. Even in Nepal, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Africa, Israel, and the Middle East. The company opened branches, service and spare hubs, and established dealership networks nationwide. The vision of providing complete construction equipment solutions impelled the promoters to have foreign collaborations for various construction equipment. In 2011 and 12, the first joint venture company was established with the world's leading concrete pipe-making machine manufacturer, Hawkeye Pedasharp of USA, called Apollo Hawkeye Pedasharp Concrete Technologies Private Limited. Within a few years, one more joint venture was announced with Metal Galante Italy, a world leader in self-loading mixers called Apollo Carmix Equipments Private Limited. Seeing ample opportunity in the paver block business, Apollo Infratech Group entered into another joint venture company with Zenith. One of the largest automatic block-making machine manufacturers, Apollo Zenith Concrete Technologies Private Limited in 2017. Apollo Infratech Group quickly became India's most integrated concrete solutions provider with a successfully diversified and expanded business. Since the group's promoters were originally from an asphalt equipment manufacturing background since the 1970s, the group had its interests intact in asphalt and road equipment manufacturing. In 2020, it founded another company called Aptech Equipment Private Limited to produce mechanical pavers, sensor pavers, drum mix plants, wet mix plants, curb pavers and bitumen sprayers. However, the big breakthrough came when the group struck a deal with the century-old Parker Plant of the UK and formed a joint venture company named Parker Plant India Private Limited in 2022 to produce asphalt batch mix plants of international quality. The newly built modern manufacturing facility near Mehsana stands testimony to the commitment of Apollo Infratech Group. The group has received accolades for unparalleled industry contribution during this exciting journey. Apart from marketing and management, our human resource management is also solid. We have a support base of employees, customers and vendors who have been with us since the inception. We always focus on employee skill development through upscaling programs and workshops at the company's knowledge center. With conviction, commitment, and consistency in providing construction equipment solutions, we are scaling newer heights of achievements in the field of construction equipment manufacturing. Apollo Infratech Group, building modern machines that make modern infrastructure.